In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce and start accepting payments on your WordPress website. We'll go through the full setup from inside WordPress, make sure the connection is working properly, and finish by switching everything over to live mode. If you already have WooCommerce installed, this process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to complete each part carefully so payments work smoothly for your customers. First, open your WordPress dashboard and sign in to your website. Before moving on, make sure WooCommerce is already installed and active, since Stripe needs WooCommerce in order to process payments on your store. Next, go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for a compatible Stripe payment gateway for WooCommerce. Install the plugin you want to use, and once the installation is complete, activate it. Activating the plugin makes the Stripe payment settings available inside WooCommerce. After that, head to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. This is where you manage the payment methods available on your store. In the list of payment options, find Stripe and turn it on so customers can begin using it at checkout once setup is complete. Now click the Stripe Setup or Connection option. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Stripe account. After signing in, choose the correct Stripe account if you have more than one, then approve the connection between Stripe and WooCommerce. This authorization step is what allows your store to securely communicate with Stripe and process transactions. Once connected, choose the payment methods you want to enable. For example, you may want to accept standard credit and debit cards, along with any supported digital wallets. It's a good idea to enable only the options that make sense for your customers and region. The next part is webhook setup. Complete the webhook configuration so WooCommerce can receive payment status updates from Stripe. This helps your store stay synced when orders are paid, updated, or completed. Before accepting real payments, enable Stripe Test Mode. This is a very important step because it lets you safely verify the checkout experience without charging a real card. With Test Mode on, add a product to your cart and place a test order using Stripe's test payment details. After the test order goes through, check your WooCommerce orders page and your Stripe dashboard to confirm the transaction appears correctly in both places. This double check helps confirm the connection is working as expected. Once everything looks good, disable Test Mode and switch Stripe to Live Mode. At that point, your WooCommerce store will be ready to accept real customer payments through Stripe.